Hello guys! Sa araw na ito ay nais ko sa inyong i-share ang how to check product's origin country. Ito ang pag-check sa barcode ng first 3-digit number. Kaya doon ho natin makikita kung saang bansa ba ito gawa. So kung may mga comment ho kayo na gustong ipalabas sa tahanang ito, ay pwede po tayo mag-comment down below. Kung may mga gusto po ng shoutout, pwede rin ho mag-comment down below at i-shoutout ho natin sa mga susunod po mga palabas. So heto, nasisimulan na po natin kung paano i-check sa barcode ang mga products. So hope you enjoy guys!
A few moments later.
Starting 00 to 019 is made in US and Canada. Starting 060 to 099 is made in US in Canada. Starting 100 to 139 is made in US. Starting 300 to 379 is made in France and Monaco. Starting 380 is made in Bulgaria. Starting 383 is made in Slovenia. Starting 385 is made in Croatia. Starting 387 is made in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Starting 389 is made in Montenegro. Starting 400 to 440 is made in Germany. Starting 450 to 459 is made in Japan. Starting 460 to 469 is made in Russia. Starting 470 is made in Kyrgyzstan. Starting 471 is made in Taiwan. Starting 474 is made in Estonia. Starting 475 is made in Latvia. Starting 476 is made in Azerbaijan. Starting 477 is made in Lithuania. Starting 478 is made in Uzbekistan. Starting 479 is made in Sri Lanka. Starting 480 is made in Philippines. Starting 481 is made in Belarus. Starting 482 is made in Ukraine. Starting 484 is made in Moldova. Starting 485 is made in Armenia. Starting 486 is made in Georgia. Starting 487 is made in Kazakhstan. Starting 488 is made in Tajikistan. Starting 489 is made in Hong Kong. Starting 490 to 499 is made in Japan. Starting 500 to 509 is made in United Kingdom. Starting 520 to 521 is made in Greece. Starting 528 is made in Lebanon. Starting 529 is made in Cyprus. Starting in 530 is made in Albania. Starting in 531 is made in Macedonia. Starting 535 is made in Malta. Starting in 539 is made in Ireland. Starting in 540 to 549 is made in Belgium and Luxembourg. Starting 560 is made in Portugal. Starting in 569 is made in Iceland. Starting in 570 to 579 is made in Denmark, Faroe Islands, and Greenland. Starting 590 is made in Poland. Starting in 594 is made in Romania. Starting in 599 is made in Hungary. Starting in 600 to 601 is made in South Africa. Starting in 603 is made in Ghana. Starting in 604 is made in Senegal. Starting 608 is made in Bahrain. Starting in 609 is made in Mauritius. Starting in 611 is made in Morocco. Starting in 613 is made in Algeria. Starting in 615 is made in Nigeria. Starting in 616 is made in Kenya. Starting in 618 is made in Ivory Coast. Starting in 619 is made in Tunisia. Starting in 621 is made in Syria. Starting in 622 is made in Egypt. Starting in 624 is made in Libya. Starting in 625 is made in Jordan. Starting in 626 is made in Iran. Starting in 627 is made in Kuwait. Starting in 628 is made in Saudi Arabia. Starting in 629 is made in United Arab Emirates. Starting in 640 to 649 is made in Finland. Starting 690 to 695 is made in China. Starting in 700 to 709 is made in Norway. Starting in 729 is made in Israel. Starting 730 to 739 is made in Sweden. Starting in 740 is made in Guatemala. Starting 741 is made in El Salvador. Starting 742 is made in Honduras. Starting 743 is made in Nicaragua. Starting 744 is made in Costa Rica. Starting in 745 is made in Panama. Starting 746 is made in Dominican Republic. Starting in 750 is made in Mexico. Starting in 754 to 755 is made in Canada. Starting in 759 is made in Venezuela. Starting in 760 to 769 is made in Switzerland and Liechtenstein. Starting in 770 to 771 is made in Colombia. Starting in 773 is made in Uruguay. Starting 775 is made in Peru. Starting in 777 is made in Bolivia. Starting in 779 is made in Argentina. Starting in 780 is made in Chile. Starting in 784 is made in Paraguay. Starting in 785 is made in Peru. Starting in 786 is made in Ecuador. Starting in 789 to 790 is made in Brazil. Starting in 800 to 839 is made in Italy, San Marino, and Vatican City. Starting 840 to 849 is made in Spain and Andorra. Starting in 850 is made in Cuba. Starting in 858 is made in Slovakia. Starting in 859 is made in Czech Republic. Starting in 860 is made in Serbia. Starting in 865 is made in Mongolia. Starting in 867 is made in North Korea. Starting in 868 to 869 is made in Turkey. Starting in 870 to 879 is made in Netherlands. Starting in 880 is made in South Korea. Starting in 884 is made in Cambodia. Starting in 885 is made in Thailand. Starting in 888 is made in Singapore. Starting in 890 is made in India. Starting in 893 is made in Vietnam. Starting in 896 is made in Pakistan. Starting in 899 is Indonesia. Starting in 900 to 919 is made in Austria. Starting in 930 to 939 is made in Australia. Starting 940 to 949 is made in New Zealand. Starting in 955 is made in Malaysia. Starting 958 is made in Macau.
A few moments later.
At para po sa ating shoutout po kay Beverly Hago. Salamat po ng napakarami sa inyo pong panonood. Kung inyo po ito pong nagustuhan, ay maaari po natin pong itong i-share sa ating mga friends. So, hanggang sa muli po guys. Goodbye po!